Romeo Montague, heartbroken over Rosaline, was persuaded by his cousin Benvolio and friend Mercutio to attend a masquerade ball at the Capulet house in disguise. There, amid the music, lights, and masked dancers, he first saw Juliet Capulet, the daughter of his family's sworn enemies. Struck by her radiant beauty, Romeo compared her to a rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear and a snowy dove trooping with crows. He approached her, took her hand, and spoke with poetic reverence. "If I profane with my unworthiest hand this holy shrine, the gentle fine is this. My lips, two blushing pilgrims, ready stand to smooth that rough touch with a tender kiss." Juliet, charmed by his gentle manner and eloquent words, responded playfully yet warmly, engaging him in a shared sonnet. Their instant chemistry was electric. They exchanged kisses, feeling an immediate, profound connection that made the noisy hall fade away. Only after did they discover each other's identities, Romeo a Montague, Juliet a Capulet, which filled them with dismay, yet could not extinguish the flame. That same night, Juliet stood on her balcony, unknowingly pouring out her love. "O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo? Deny thy father and refuse thy name." Hidden below, Romeo revealed himself, and they confessed their feelings openly, pledging their hearts despite the feud. The next day, with Friar Lawrence's help, they secretly married, driven by this sudden, all-consuming passion born in a single evening. Their love, sparked at first sight and deepened through danger and secrecy, became intense and pure, transcending generations of hatred, though it would soon face tragic trials.